Agriculture in China. Like other ancient civilizations, the ancient Chinese developed dams, dikes, and irrigation canals to control flooding. The Chinese also developed bronze tools to better farm the land. Later, Chinese farmers used oxen to pull their plows. Oxen-pulled plows greatly increased the amount of crops that could be grown. Different agricultural products and practices developed and spread in different areas in China. For example, in northern China, millet was an early crop. In hilly parts of China, farmers dug flat levels called terraces into the hills. Terraces look like giant-sized steps on the hillside. Because terraces were flat, they held a thin layer of water in which to plant crops. This agricultural practice is known as terrace farming. Terrace farming allowed the Chinese to plant crops, especially rice, on hills and mountainsides that would otherwise be too steep for farming. Silk was also discovered in ancient China. Chinese silkworms naturally produce fine strands of silk. The ancient Chinese people learned how to harvest the silk and weave it into thread. They made clothes, fabrics, and other decorative cloths from silk. In time, silk became one of China's most valuable products and was traded around the world. 2 Chinese agricultural products. Tea. People in ancient China typically used tea for medicinal purposes. However, legend has it that tea as a drink originated in the 2000s BCE when leaves from a nearby tree fell into an emperor's boiling cup of water, and he enjoyed the taste. By the Tang Dynasty, beginning in the 7th century, tea had become an art form, enjoyed by all social classes. Wild rice. Ancient Chinese farmers domesticated wild rice as early as 5000 BCE. This rice was very different from the rice eaten around the world today. However, the Chinese farmed domesticated rice from the earliest times. As time passed, this domesticated wild rice became more and more similar to modern rice.